For a long-lasting fix in asphalt, use a high-performance cold patch specifically formulated for permanent patching rather than a general-purpose mix. Choose a polymer-modified cold patch product designed for permanent repairs and look for brands that specify commercial-grade performance, such as Quikrete commercial-grade high-performance blacktop repair. Prepare the area by removing all loose debris and standing water, then square the edges of the hole so the patch material can seat against solid asphalt rather than loose granular material. Compacting is critical, so apply the material in layers no deeper than 2 inches, and compact each layer with a heavy hand tamper or plate compactor until the patch is dense and level with surrounding pavement. For patches in high traffic areas, use a veneer of tack coat first to improve adhesion by spraying a thin, even coat of asphalt emulsion and letting it set tacky for 1 to 2 minutes before placing the patch. Temperature matters, so install cold patch when ambient temperatures are above freezing and the surface is dry. Colder conditions reduce adhesive flow and compaction effectiveness. After compacting, seal the perimeter with a crack sealant to prevent water infiltration and promote longer life. Homeowners often try to use small gravel or general-purpose cold mixes that do not bond, which leads to early raveling. Use a polymer-modified permanent cold patch and compact properly to avoid that. Another common issue is inadequate edge preparation, where loose material remains and the patch fails at the seam. Always cut back to sound asphalt and clean thoroughly before applying any material. A third concern is poor compaction or over-deep single lifts that trap voids and allow water to enter. Place material in shallow lifts and compact fully between lifts and then seal the perimeter. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and product advice so we can help you find someone experienced with permanent asphalt patching. We also offer a discussion community where we share real-world tips and contractor experiences to help both homeowners and contractors find work and best practices.